Good day, future scientists, as a continuation of our previous discussion about atoms, matter, ions, and molecules. Let's talk about matters. In definition, matter is anything that occupies space, has mass and volume, meaning everything you see and touch like your phone right now, and things that you don't see but you feel, like air, are matter. To avoid confusions, matter is composed of atoms that behave in different manners. There are three categories of matter, or simply states of matter, depending on their characteristics. The first state is solid. These are the things that have a fixed shape and fixed volume or amount of space it takes up. The behavior of atoms in solid is compact and vibrating. Their atoms hold tightly together, that's why they hold its volume and shape. The second state is liquid. These are the things that have no fixed shape but possess a fixed volume. The atoms slide each other, that's why they don't have a fixed shape. The third state is gas. These are the things that have no fixed shape and no fixed volume. Its atoms move freely, that's why they cannot contain their volume and shape. To avoid gas from escaping, you need to put it in a sealed container, like tanks. Now, let's move to ions. Since we already understand atoms from our previous video, this will be easy for you. Based on atomic notation, all atoms have the same number of protons and electrons. Basically, all atoms are naturally neutral, but the number of electrons of an element can change due to some factors. One common factor is the placement of electrons. These atoms that gain or lose electrons are called ions. If an atom loses an electron, it becomes more positive because the number of protons is higher compared to electrons. These are called cations. If an atom gains an electron, it becomes more negative because the number of electrons is higher compared to protons. These are called anions. Look at these two atoms, sodium and chlorine. Sodium is the 11th element on the periodic table, so it has 11 protons and 11 electrons, while chlorine is the 17th, so it has 17 protons and electrons. But look at the placement of their electrons. The lesser the number of electrons on the outer orbit, the higher the tendency to lose the electron. Gaining or losing electrons will lead to chemical bonding. If two or more atoms combine or bond, they are called molecules. This is the end of the lesson. I hope you learned something. See you next time.
Since you reached this far, if you enjoy this video, hit that like button and share this to your friends. As Sir Cedric always says, learning is forever. See you next time. Bye.